What's going on, everybody? So today we are going to get started on a new project here. We've got a 1972 Shasta Loflyte camper. The camper itself is about 16 feet in length in full from tongue to bumper. I think it's about maybe 11 feet interior space. It is all there, which is great, but the interior has so much water infiltration that there's just all kinds of mold and problems and things. So rather than just try to patch things up, we're basically going to do a full rebuild. So I will end up pulling everything out today. We're going to deconstruct the entire camper. There'll be several videos because I know the process is going to be intense. We did a Winnebago camper on the channel about 2 or 3 years ago, and that thing was awesome, but I didn't do a build series. I just did a final video, and I got so many questions. So I'm really going to do a good job at documenting it this time and take you guys along with me. So keep an eye out. All right, so here's the front of the camper. The last gentleman put a window unit in. Not really a huge fan of how that looks, so we'll delete the window unit and figure out another way to put it back inside. Aluminum siding is in decent condition. There's a few rough spots, but all the original windows are here. Electrical works. I love these wings. These are always missing a lot of times when you see them up for sale. So it had both of the original wings for it. All of the lighting and stuff is broken, but the wiring's there. There's so much water leaking in. The only major damage to the outside, other than the door being kind of a mess, was somebody shot the thing with BBs, and it looks like somebody probably jackknifed this trying to back it in and hit their truck bed on the corner. So you can see down there, there's a big dent. But honestly, besides that, everything is there and ready to be restored. Bailey. Stepping into the camper, you're right into this dinette set area. It's enough for maybe 2 people on each side. Man, it smells like old camper. The lights and electrical actually still work in here, which is awesome. There's the kitchen or kitchenette area, the original cabinets, the original sink, and then turning back towards the back, it's actually pretty spacious for such a little camper. There's another sort of lounge couch setup, but this actually pulls out and turns into another full bed, and then above it is a twin drop down. We're probably gonna get rid of that and open this up. Hanging closet, clothes closet, there's some drawer space in here, and then the refrigerator. There is a ton of water damage and rot all inside the corners because all of these windows basically need to be resealed. Floor is a little spongy in areas, so looking forward to getting started on it. We're just gonna gut it completely and sort of start from scratch. So, Bailey! Hi, baby. All right, so this is the progress so far. I tore out the dinette set. Everything is completely destroyed back there. I mean, there was barely even any framing left from all the rot. And then I have torn out the kitchen so far. So what we've got left is some overhead cabinets. I'm gonna get started on this back area. It's a hot one. So this thing might be a small camper, but as you can tell behind me, there was a lot inside to deconstruct. Surprisingly, it went well. Just gonna see where I need to go from here. All right, so here's the after. Everything is gutted and open and ready to brainstorm for a floor plan. She's old and stanky, but we'll hook it up.